Have you ever had a bad sound editor? They're honestly just the bane of my life. Every time I try to do something, it just doesn't turn out right. I can't believe it. I try and go somewhere and the sound's all wrong.
Oh.
I jump. I fight. I open doors, but everything sounds wrong. I just don't know what to do. But fortunately, I have this great product. At the low price of $1,400 today, this product will save your film. It's called Sound FX, and in this case, FX stands for fix. Simply spray the product on your finished film, and everything that is wrong sound-wise will be fixed. From bad Foley to windy audio, this product will make your film great again.